Okay, so this is my next project. It's an old phone booth that I'm thinking I'll refurbish. I've already started some disassembly on this here. That was a beast getting out. Mostly grinder work. Anyway, so I'll try to document this as I go. Old shape. Oh, the light fixture I've taken out and it's non-usable, but we're gonna clean this thing up. Possibly sell it. I've already got my next one lined up if I can talk the owner out of it, which isn't usually too hard. Anyway, there's the basic look at it. Okay, 80 degrees at that time in the morning. Obviously it's still early for me, but anyway, we'll get started now disassembling this thing.